Alright, so VS Code keeps getting smarter every year, but in 2025, the real power isn't just in the editor itself, it is in the extensions you install. Whether you are coding in JavaScript, Python, or Rust, there are some new and updated VS Code extensions that can seriously boost your productivity, make your code cleaner, and even bring a bit of fun back into development. So in today's video, I'm breaking down the best VS Code extensions of 2025, the ones developers are actually using to level up their workflows. Stick around because by the end of this video, your VS Code setup might look and feel completely different. Let's start strong with one of the most underrated gems in VS Code, Project Manager. If you're the kind of developer juggling multiple projects, maybe side hustle, a client job, or your main code base, this extension is a lifesaver. Project Manager keeps all your projects in one clean, organized container. No more digging through folders or trying to remember file path. Just click on the project you want to work on and boom, you are in. It's simple, smooth, and helps you stay focused on coding instead of wasting time switching between projects. It's one of those small changes that makes a huge difference in how comfortably you work inside VS Code. Next up, we have Git lens, and trust me, once you install these, you will never look at your code the same way again. Git lens basically turns your VS Code into a storytelling machine for your code base. With just a hover, you can see who wrote a line of code, when it was changed, and why. It shows detailed Git blame info, commit history, and even helps you compare branches, all without leaving your editor. It is perfect for team, open source collaborations, or anyone who wants to truly understand the history behind their code. Git lens doesn't just show your code, it shows context. Alright, moving on, let's talk about one of the most have tools for every front-end developer, Lifesaver. Now, if you have ever had to save your HTML or CSS file, switch to the browser, refresh the page, then check your changes, you already know how annoying that can get. Lifesaver completely fixes that. With just one click, it spins up a local development saver and automatically reloads your web page every time you save a file. So whether you're tweaking your layout, testing animations, or adjusting colors, you can easily see your changes updates in real time in your browser. It is smooth, instant, and honestly, once you start using Lifesaver, you will never want to code front-end projects without it again. For React developers, it's different because React comes with a built-in server that you can just click and you have live preview and everything. So kudos to them. Now let's talk about something every modern developer should have in their toolkit, the Docker extension. If you work with containers, this extension is absolutely a game changer. Instead of typing long Docker commands in a terminal, you can manage your entire container setup right inside VS Code. You can build images, start or stop containers, check logs, even connect to running containers, all with a few clicks. What's even better is that it visually shows your container networks and images in a clean sidebar, making it super easy to keep track of everything that's running. So whenever you're developing microservices, testing APIs, or setting up full stack environment, the Docker extension keeps your workflow fast, organized, and efficient without ever leaving your editor. Next, we have got the extension that's redefining what it means to code in 2025. Copilot isn't just an autocomplete tool anymore. It is your personal AI partner right inside VS Code. It understands your project context, suggests full functions, explains complex code, and even writes documentation, all while you stay focused on building. But the real game changer this year is Copilot agents. These are like specialized AI workflows that go beyond just writing code. You can ask an agent to fix a bug, refactor a messy function, generate tests, or even set up a new API endpoint, and it will do it step by step directly inside your editor. It is no longer AI assisted coding, it is AI collaboration. GitHub Copilot now works with you like a teammate, helping you move from idea to implementation faster than ever before. In 2025, if you are coding without Copilot, you are probably working harder than you need to. So up next, we have the Morgan Code theme that gives VS Code a clean, balanced, and elegant color platelet that's easy on your eyes. Whether you are coding late at night or grinding through a long day session, the syntax color pops just enough to keep your code readable and organized without feeling harsh or distracting. It's one of the small upgrades that makes opening your editor feel fresh and inspiring every single time. And the best part is, it looks professional on screen, perfect if you're recording tutorials, live streaming, or just want your workspace to feel premium. And finally, to wrap up this list, let's talk about the extension that adds the final touch of style, which is Material Icon Theme. It replaces all the plain default folder and file icons in VS Code with beautifully designed and color-coded material icons. Suddenly, your entire workspace feels more organized, more readable, and honestly, more fun to use. You can instantly tell which files are JavaScript, HTML, or config files just by glancing at the icons. It is a small visual change that makes a big difference, especially when you are working on large projects or switching between multiple code bases. Combine this with the De Morgan theme and your VS Code setup won't just work great, it will look amazing as well. Yeah, so there you have it, the best VS Code extensions to level up your workflow in 2025. If you found a new favorite in this list, drop a comment below and tell me which extensions you can live without. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so that you don't miss more dev-focused contents like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best code editor is the one that feels like home. See you in the next one. Peace.